Kani gadega pati CCTV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Pulit jongkalai mukra police station. Henne kasngi ka khanyo trek ujumang kilalai bang Khang kerdap no Shuwa Shipor ya ka National Institute of Paramedical Technology. Bharat Sevak Samaj kabran hapo lawa la chumia Shillong. Kani ka jinglai Khang no Shipor kani ka jaka pule kalong hadian baki katu kani ki samla pule ki bala pendap ya ki jing pule jongki na kani ka jaka pule. Kila ujo daki ejahar hapo lai mukra police station namar ya ki sernot baki layo na kani ka jaka pule la syak kentaj habaki lai wat kam hangno ru naga boong baki certificate kidai ki pathok habai keren pan baru director jongka National Institute of Paramedical Technology Rishikesh M Shahi ulai tho baki ladan Shipon ki samla pule na kani ka institute ki balayo kam yo jam bat ki dan ru ki balalai pule ha ki weipat ki skol ba leng baki senot bala ai da kani ka institute uneu director ulo ongru baki to ki bakno bakani ka institute kadai ka pathong kila ban pha toket ru leng ba ka CBI khanang ban lap ye ki jing shisha baro komba kalong manta ye kini ka jaka pule on Khang no Shuwa Shipor tat hadien bala pendap ye ka jing token bat lap ye ki jing shisha baro.
Today, the courses which we are conducting out here, these are all approved throughout India. If you just check the portal of BSS also, you will find there's a number of states, those who are running under BSS. Okay? Likewise, today, if I'll just say that the IDs which we receive, nothing is being made by us. The ID, it comes from the New Delhi. ID, student's ID, your answer scripts, your mark sheets, your diplomas, your certificates, everything is issued by Bharat Sevak Samaj. If you want to know further that whether we are genuine or not, then you can put a CBI inquiry. You can go to also Kerala and find out the courses which we are running, whether it's genuine or not. Because just on the pretext of just one or two students, there must be a technical error. Because if you just check of the past students also, those who have got jobs, how today they can say that they are not getting any job? And the students, those who are studying here, they have gone for BSc lab also to Downtown University, to Tripura University. We have got records. Even they can go also down today and they can find out from there also from Downtown University. We have even issued migration certificate. We have got copies of all those. Today, if just 1 or 2% will just come and say that is a fake university, prove it. We have nothing to fear. We are not like CMG University, those who have just dealt with students' life, right? Because today, even CMG University, after being a fraud in the market, he still has got the guts to open it back again in Jorabat. Then we are born from Shillong, where to run? We are nothing to fear. We are from Shillong itself, and we have not playing with the students, but future. Yeah. It's not possible at all. Because people do not have idea of what is BSS. They have no knowledge about BSS. If they will check the portal of BSS, they will only understand that what courses we are running. Otherwise, from 2008, which we have been operating this institute, there will be a pile of students who will be gathering outside the gate for banging our doors. But those students, they have got the jobs. Today they have got jobs. They have gone to their own sectors. Today they are students, those who are working in Negrims also, they are working in RHM also, in CHCs, PHCs, in Mairang, Holy Cross Hospital, whether you talk about this Naza Hospital, whether you talk about Woodland Hospital, Hope Clinic, Civil Hospital, all the students have got jobs. Those who wanted to pursue higher studies also, they have got. But how today only 1 or 2 students, just under the pretext of 1 or 2 students, they cannot just simply say that the institute is fake. Otherwise this institute would have closed a long time back.
Hakani kasngi nakalyang kaseng jongki samla pule kakasi Students Union. Sengkeme leng bakasnat badai pet ya kapule puthi neka education cell hadian beklayo ikjing ujo na kisamla pule kilalat bantuklar halor kene kakam bar kibor penya jonga neka institute habai keren pat barkilat pathai kubor hadian balawa ke jelang nakalyang usamla ready on nongrom ulaong bakaseng kasngaukhia halor kene jingja bat ladawaru nakasorkar bakadai bansimkhia banthong da kajing toket khnang banlap ikjing shisha baro la kene ke institute kadai ni em ka bathok kumbala keno
kalian jungi menen kasni ngayo ka jingujon lagi kena ada peluang ni hadim ada peluang ni ki pasang ban apply ki course sabar ki ba kani dari ka kasih kita dan ba untuk pungut ni kena bon office dan ada ni apa ni wan buat cuba ni ki ba ya kani ka institute ni affiliate baka biasa sekali ka Bharat Sevak Samaj kalian jungi wan ni no menyi pekat am takalawi ki kena hadim bila ada pulih ni xin mình ban apply suy là cái kim yo kita ki course bagi mut ban emang kebuk ke nya kan ki lai objektif tu bagi don nak yang cloud file ka FIR HBD bukan institute nak yang ni di ibu jika pat ya sarkar hi ba gari ban le ban kam nama kalian kan dan lang ni ngit skam lu ba kalian kan kan budien maya ba mentahi nak kalian bor an kalian ke police department ko ba Khang talaswa kad ban dadap soy ke toket ngit skam ba di toket bala ni nak kalian ni ngimla ban kali kafe ne kali ke universiti ke sisar ngim palak ne ni marba ngiyok bor ko bagi ni kena ba apply kam nang ni ru la yo kan ko ni so ni lalan ki ni pa ke bagi naik FIR alat lalu ni yang lain kan police department tu police kan kan budien mana kalian police department no bagi yo kena bagi yang makin Khang kedap sama tay ni ada hari mereka punya token ni ngai semi kalian ka bor plate tu kale ko ni dengan kam
ni sik benang don office kipoi nak ma santu ru pumut ta tuan complain ke sen kita ni nak berada pas nang ni kilai ban wat adu kuat beteng ke puli lai wat adu mission Shipor tim dak lapoi sekui ke institut yang ba kim la bat pedang yakin marba ke institut kedai ke ba top bar ke dokumen suki ba ai nang ni nak ke institut kedai ke ba top te holor kata nak kalian ni sang imla ban pensia ba kedai ke ba top kam top kingiwan ban ya kendu ikbor badai pej ni kimpan cipicai te nak ikbor badai pej ni kimla ban ai cipicai ba snohun te nak kalian ki latif ladan nak kalian bahyeng basem cho students ki ledap ai edu bujor ka ijahar nin kesngiha lain krap police beat house te nak kalian ki don ban ong te isu kentu ikbor pulit ikbor ka an ban tokit khamploi ban lap ekcisha
kun gikti sya ka jengkuli ba kinyo i ka kam ka jam ngi mi ki pa ka nu ngi la pelut konsep ye ki ma nemar ba ngi ru ngi kwa hi ka jing suk jong ki an te la kum ba ki ong ba ka la ka dei sya kata ka fake institution te long ka ni ke institution te ka hab hi ban ke khia ya kata ka jing dun jing sap jongi ki mi ki pa ki bang ni la the ki ma tang kata hingi nomor bangin 4 lap ya kata ka jing sisa baka dai kata ka fake ne baka dai kata ka basisa ne long ya kata tengi 4 lap bangin ong ni long ni haban ailat ya keyboard jong ka an bakin haban wat ban pet ni mati ya kata ka ka ba ka jai ka ni institution